Yeah, morning all of you. My voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your first class for artificial intelligence. Yeah. So I am new for you. Seventh semester. Please reply. I am a new for you, na? Because I am the newly joined faculty. Okay. So before starting, I introduce myself. Uh, just today we are going for only introduction class. I'm not going to too much inside the subject. Just I'm taking the knowledge about how much you know all the things of what till from first year to seventh semester, that means the first semester to the seventh semester, what we will have to do. Okay, so my name is Pankaj Kumar, and my last college from I'm passed out from the IIT Dhanbad, and I work for Miracle Software System as a Visakhapatnam Java developer. Then I can join carwala.com. Then I left my job, all the things. Then starting teaching. Okay, so teaching is my passion. That's why I can join this profession. Recently, I joined. I think 1.5 year experience. Till date, I have an industrial experience. All the things. Uh, okay, so that is from the my side, and that is my introduction. So you guys tell me what are doing till from first year to the seventh semester. That is your crucial time is going on. Okay, so how many people are placed till now? Yeah, even if they apply for the internship, they are hoping from the anything will happen during internship. Yeah, you can talk to me. No need to be silent, no need to be masses. Unmute yourself and start talking. Because the first day, are you interested to start syllabus? Anyone? No. Are you comfortable with English or Hindi? Yeah, both. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, no problem. Please unmute yourself and talk to me. No need to be message. It is not possible to read all the time the message, whatever you sending to me. Okay. So anyone, everyone know what is the artificial intelligence, what is the use and what is the application. Nowadays, that is a big things. All the things will happen. Artificial intelligence. We are always talking about the artificial intelligence. So anyone, little bit a brief idea you can give me the artificial intelligence. What do you think about the artificial intelligence? Anyone? If you heard the word like artificial intelligence, the what first what comes in your mind? In your mind, what do you think about it? Yeah, tell me, Shivam, Nal, Yash Kumar, anyone? You guys are replying on the chat box. You can unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Okay. No one reply. Okay. So now see, this artificial intelligence is totally analysis paper. Okay. If you're thinking about we go for the theoretical manner, then that is okay. Don't worry. If you're thinking about to go for the analysis manner, that is the better way to study the artificial intelligence. Okay. Suppose you are thinking about if I have a command on the artificial intelligence, I have do the some project related to the artificial intelligence, and if you're thinking about I can place in the industry, it's very difficult. Put one thing in your mind. These are the specialized paper. That means that these are the specialized area like artificial intelligence, then artificial intelligence with IoT, then artificial intelligence with machine learning and deep learning. These things are will happen. Happened. Company will be prefer from this area for the experienced people. They will give the less chance for the fresher. Okay. So what to do? Suppose we are thinking about I want to opt artificial intelligence. I want to do the job in the artificial intelligence. So first, do more project on the artificial intelligence, then create a more strong CV related to the artificial intelligence, do more internship related to the artificial intelligence, then apply. Then they might be considered. Okay. Otherwise, what happened if you are pass out from the IIT, NITs, any college, okay, and you are applying for that artificial intelligence job, then no one can prefer you. That is the truth. Okay, that is the reality. That means the real world. Okay, so if you're thinking about I want to do artificial intelligence work, then after BTech, try to crack the gate. And recently, ISC Bangalore will be launched the artificial MTech in artificial intelligence. Even if IIT Guwahati is recently launched MTech in artificial intelligence with robotics. If you join that course, then definitely you can get a place in the Microsoft, Bosch, okay, then Cisco, everywhere we can place with that course. Okay, that is the best way to get a better placement. Okay, through GATE, then go to the ISC Bangalore, then then complete the course within 2 years, then get placed in the big MNC like a Goldman Sachs, all the things. Okay, the Qualcomm, all the things will be happening. So basically, we are dealing with the artificial intelligence. That means we are dealing with the algorithm. Okay, so by default we can connect it with the algorithm. Okay, that means I'm talking about the DA. Okay, so that means your algorithms analysis part should be strong. Otherwise, what happened? You cannot analyze all the things. Okay, so some algorithms are related to the DFS and data structure. We are going to use that one. I'm not telling that totally use that data structure and algorithm to the artificial intelligence. Some part, okay, some little bit concept in the middle of the algorithm, in the starting of the algorithm, like this one. Okay, no, both as artificial intelligence algorithm and data structure and algorithm are similar, not equal type. Okay, similar. Okay, like a DFS, BFS. We are here the breadth first search. In artificial intelligence, we are studying best first search, best. Okay, so little bit change. So what happened? If you are a beginner, then we are going to confuse. Sir, we are studying the data structure and algorithm like this, and we are studying here this. So don't be confused. Those algorithms are different, and these algorithms are different. Okay. So here we are discussing again DFS, BFS. We are going to discuss. Here we are going to discuss about the game problem, TikTok problem. Okay, hill climb problem. Okay, then heuristic problem. Okay, these things max min problem we are going to discuss in artificial intelligence. These are the real world problem. Because what happened in artificial intelligence, we are really trying to solve real world problem with creating a virtual environment. Okay, and here the artificial intelligence, the one and two and three words are common. Like we are going to talk about the agent, we are going to talk about the environment, we are going to talk about the expert system. Okay, so don't be confused. That means here we can use the word agent. That means we can going to that agent that belongs to the any physical quantity like me, like a human being, like a robot. Okay, the environment, that means we have to use the environment to sense the virtual environment. We can use the sensors for the sensing the virtual environment activities. Okay, so these things we are going to use. Then we are going to use the expert system. That means here machines will be use artificial intelligence algorithm and they gives the output. That's called the expert system in the artificial intelligence. Okay, artificial intelligence is a totally different part, and expert system is totally a different part. In expert system, we are going to use artificial intelligence algorithm, then machine will be gives the output analysis process. But in artificial intelligence, machine will be developed automatically analytical process. That means in terms of, you are talking about the mathematical term, like the superset, subset, and universal set. So we can write like artificial intelligence is a universal set. Inside artificial intelligence, we are talking about the expert system. Inside artificial intelligence, we are talking about the machine learning. Inside artificial intelligence, we are talking about the deep learning. Okay, and all the application part like artificial intelligence using the IoT devices like medical devices. Okay, natural language process, image processing. Okay, these things will be we can do with the help of artificial intelligence. Now, nowadays we try to develop the robot that can identify the object through image processing and using the artificial intelligence. Okay, that means robots can be analyzed. Okay, so the main thing how machine can learn all the things. Okay, the main thing is that how machine can learn. Okay, how can machine can becomes like a human being, because our ultimate goal is to machine can work like a human being, machine can think like a human being. So for that purpose we have to train the machine with the different past experience. We can create a data, we can train the machine can learn the past experience. On the basis of the past experience, machine gives the output like a human brain. Okay, so this thing will be happen. And artificial intelligence, basically if you heard the word artificial intelligence, the intelligence meaning we can know that the reasoning meaning, the analytical meaning, these things understanding that belong to the intelligence. And we know the artificial, that is not belong to the natural process, that is a virtual process. Okay, but we try to solve real-time problem with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, so we can what happened, suppose how to train the machine, like how to impose or compose the intelligent inside the machine. So 4 and 5 type through which we can impose or train the machine, our that machine can think like a human being. Okay, like so we can talk about the how can compose or train the machine like a reasoning. That is the one process we can say the reasoning. We can solve the reasoning process for the cracking the IS exams and railway exams, all the things. So that is called the reasoning process. Then machine can we can train the machine, that means called the learning process. Then machine can solve problem solving, that we can give the one task to machine, then teach the machine on the basis of experience of the machine we can solve same different problem solving. Then perceptions problem, hypothetical problem we try to solve. And with the linguistic intelligence, that means we try to solve the language problem, that means NLP. So whatever your language tell, machine can be understand and gives the output on the basis of that. So for this purpose, we are going to use the different methods like a probability method, then mathematical optimization logic, okay, logical methods, then psychological methods. This then neuroscience we are going to use, then artificial psychological things we are going to use in a artificial intelligence. Okay, so these are the process to develop the intelligence inside the machine. Whatever I am talking about, these are the process to develop the intelligence inside the machine. I know the first class is boring, but day by day you can move forward through the syllabus, then it will be interesting, quite interesting. But my advice is to please be familiar with the algorithm. If your algorithm is strong, your analysis and analytics part is strong, then very easy to analyze all the things, because we have to perception all the okay, we have to perceptions all of the things. On the basis of we can imagine all the things, on the basis of we have to design the system. Okay, so we cannot say that artificial intelligence is the totally computer science branch. That is an interdisciplinary branch. Suppose I want to develop the robot through the artificial intelligence, then software engineers, that means the computer science students, can only develop the algorithm, but it cannot develop the materials whatever used inside to develop that robot. Okay, Okay, these things. So that is called the interdisciplinary branch. Okay, so for the artificial intelligence project, mechanical engineer will also work, electronics engineer will also work, computer science, physics, all the branches can be work on the artificial intelligence. Even if nowadays, now we can go for the judgment policy, that means the court are going to use artificial intelligence to judgment all the things. Now best example is Siri. If you're using the Mac, that is the Siri. All the things are the artificial intelligence example. Okay. So anyone can tell me what is the difference between the artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning? Because all are the similar, na? Because when we are talking about the artificial intelligence, that means we are indirectly using the machine learning concept. Okay, so anyone can tell me what is the difference between the artificial intelligence and machine learning on the basis of our experience? That means you act as a machine. On the basis of experience, you can give the answer. Yeah, tell me. Anyone? So these are the also example of the artificial intelligence. You act as a machine. या आप बोल सकते हो आप लोग कि आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंट और मशीन लर्निंग में डिफरेंस क्या है अगर कोई पूछते हैं on the basis of your previous knowledge. I'm not talking about the accurate answer. AI is like ML is a subset of AI. Yeah, correct. Khushbu, yeah, ML is a subset of AI. Yes, correct. And DL, that means a deep learning. Okay. One major difference you can tell me. आपको बहुत सारे डिफरेंस पता होंगे, उनमें से एक मेजर डिफरेंस बता दो आप. जैसे ये आपने सही बोला कि आपका AI इज अ सॉरी ML इज अ सबसेट ऑफ AI. ओके, दैट इज द करेक्ट. बट एक मेजर डिफरेंस आई वांट टू हर्ड दैट आंसर. आप एनालिसिस करके बताओ. Yeah, tell me. Now see, I don't know what is the culture of here to for study and taking the class. आप ये बताओ, जैसे मैं आपको बता देता हूँ हाउ कैन टीच यू entire semester. That means what is the my habit. I can deal with your with the concept using board and all the things I can going to use, and dealing with the, like a real time problem. Okay, then we can try to solve maximum numerical problem related with the artificial intelligence. And you guys want to be a notes, because I have a no, I have not prepared any notes. I have only teach in your class. If you interested to note down all the things, then note down. Otherwise, we have not. I'm not in the. I have not any materials I have that to provide to you. Otherwise, what happened? If you want to be material, then I have to prepare for that one. So you decide. Can I go for like whatever I'm dealing with in the classroom? You can note down and go for that one. You know, for the further examination, what will be happen in the in sim. Yeah, if you want to, if you want to, if you want to that, I can give you notes. Yeah, tell me, at least tell me. Otherwise, I can start from the next class onwards. I can go for full-fledged with the concept. Okay, the first chapter, introduction part. Then where we can discuss about. Okay, then Vivek, that means materials. Okay, so आप लोगों को materials चाहिए, notes चाहिए. Okay. ओके, सो मैंने ये सोचा था कि आप लोग 7th सेमेस्टर में हैं तो मे बी यू कैन डेवलप ऑल द थिंग्स. आई हैव टू डील विथ ओनली कॉन्सेप्ट एंड आई हैव टू डील विथ ओनली आइडिया all the things. Then okay, no problem. Whatever I have to made, I can send you, no problem. Like a PPT for version, I can give you the reference, all the things where you can get a notes and all the things I can send to you. Okay, don't worry. So that is clear. And who is the CR of this class? आपकी क्लास का CR कौन है? Anyone, boys and girls?
Sir Vivek.
Oh, Vivek. Me and the Mansi. Okay, so Vivek and Mansi. Okay, so आपका ये वर्क रहेगा आफ्टर क्लास. आप मुझे उन बच्चों का लिस्ट सेंड करेंगे. That means those who are not attending the classroom. Okay, send me their name and the registration number after class. At every class, even if in the lab, even if the theory class, you can send me those who are the absent. Okay, after all the class will be happened, then I can mark the attendance. Okay, so that is the work of the CR. And whatever I have a materials, I can share with the Mansi and Vivek, and after that he can flow all the things in your group to all students. Okay, Vivek and Mansi. Yeah, ठीक है. So जो भी डाउट्स होंगे, अगर आपके कोई भी डाउट्स होते हैं, इंडिविजुअल डाउट्स रिलेटेड टू दैट पेपर, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, इवन इफ रिलेटेड टू एनी लाइक अ प्लेसमेंट प्रॉब्लम, आपको कोई एडवाइस चाहिए, सो दैट इज यू कैन मैसेज मी एंड यू कैन कॉल मी. बट रिस्ट्रिक्शन इज दैट बिफोर 9 o'clock, ओके, एट द नाइट. 9 के बाद आप अगर कोई रिस्पॉन्स करते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होगी मुझे आंसर देने में. तो आप 9 से पहले आप मुझे कॉल भी कर सकते हैं और मैसेज भी कर सकते हैं, मैं उस पर रिप्लाई कर सकता हूँ. सो डू वन थिंग, आई वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर प्रिपेयरिंग फ्रॉम द गेट और द मास्टर्स और द MS, because you are the 7th semester, you're not in first years. So that is important to you to be serious about your career, all the things. So that's why I'm asking how many people are preparing from the GATE or MS, thinking about the higher study. Yeah, sure. So Sagar, Siani, whatever the name, and all are thinking about masters from India or the outside MS. India, only one people from the India, and rest. Okay, from India, So आप लोग अपने मास्टर इंडिया से मास्टर not decided. Okay, no problem. Those who are thinking about the from out of India. Okay, so those who are thinking about out of India, so my suggestion is that go for the GRE, that is a mandatory, and always pick the college QS ranking within a 200. Okay, within a 200 or maximum 250. Okay, अगर आप QS रैंकिंग 250 के अंदर सिलेक्ट करते हो तो आपकी मास्टर्स की वैल्यू ज्यादा रहेगी. ओके, कंपैरिजन टू QS रैंकिंग 250 एबव. ओके, सो कॉलेज या बाहर आप पढ़ने जा रहे हो तो ये सोच समझ के जाना, बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू इन्वेस्ट टू मच ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. ओके, so these things are very important, because when we are going searching from job with the basis of the masters, they will see your CV and will see your the college preference. That means how much weightage in your college. ओके, सो अगर आपने ग्रेजुएशन में गलती की है तो ये गलती आपको पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन में रिपीट नहीं करनी है, क्योंकि पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन की बहुत वैल्यू होती है कंपैरिजन टू ग्रेजुएशन में. ओके, सो पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कॉलेज इज वेरी मोर important than the graduated college. Okay, and your CGPA should be very much high. That means your graduate CGPA, undergraduate CGPA should be minimum 8.0 for the safer side. Okay, minimum 8.0 for the standard. Okay, those who are thinking about the masters from the India, then basically they can prefer for the IITs only. My advice, if you're not getting IITs, then go for the NITs, but only 2 and 3 NITs, like NITs Trichy, NIT Warangal and Suratkal. That is enough. Okay, otherwise in the place or in the favor of lower NITs, go for the new IITs like IIT Hyderabad, IIT Gandhinagar, IIT Goa, Jammu, okay, IIT Patna, IIT Kerala, all the things we can prefer. But for India, for the masters, definitely go for the only for IIT, like IIT Delhi, Bombay, Guwahati, okay, Roorkee, Dhanbad, okay, these are the oldest ones, so go for that one. Okay, if you are thinking about the masters from the private university, then go for only for BITS Pilani, not other than any university. Okay, you can go for the BITS Pilani. Okay, because if you BITS Pilani is equivalent to the some old IITs like IITs Guwahati, IIT Dhanbad. So we can get a good package from during the masters. Okay, from my college, you can, if you join the IIT Dhanbad, whatever I know about the whatever I think I know IIT Dhanbad, I can share with you. So we can get a minimum package 8 lakhs. Okay, 8 lakhs to 10 lakhs. That is the minimum and average package for the masters. And the master's placement from the IIT Dhanbad is 80%, 90%. That is a definitely. Okay, you can get a better chance from the BTech. That means IIT Dhanbad first place masters, then go for the BTech. Okay, so that is the opportunity in my college. You can get place minimum 8 to 8 lakhs. And after, look what happened after 2 and 3 years, 8 lakhs become to the 12 lakhs, 14 and 15 lakhs. That is easy way. Okay, so these things that will happen if you can give 2 years during the masters, then you can totally different from the other. Okay, now see how can analyze all the things. Suppose you can pass up from, now see, I'm not talking about the IITs and IITs, I'm just talking about the simple colleges. Now how can increase your salary? Okay, don't go for in IITs we are getting the 25 lakhs, 35 lakhs and all the things, 1 crore package. There is a huge blunder, we can say that the huge myth are behind that one. So we can know all the things, the whole scenario we can know. So suppose what happened, you are from the normal colleges, then you can get an average package of 3.2 and 4.5 lakhs. Okay, then after for 3 and 4, 5 years, then your package automatically becomes 7 lakhs and 8 lakhs. Okay, that means on an average I can take 4 years. Okay, now see 4 years. Now see what happened, then your package becomes 8 lakhs, then 5 and 6 year your package becomes 7 and 7 years, it becomes 12 lakhs and 13 lakhs, no doubt. From anywhere the college of India, any whole over any India, you can pass out from the any college from the India except from the IITs and NITs. That means within 7 years we can get a package 10 plus. That is the guarantee. Okay, that is the guarantee in India. Okay, now see what is the scenario. You can spend 7 years to get a 10 plus. Now what happened? Go for the IITs. Suppose you cannot done BTech from the IITs. Suppose you can go for the masters. After BTech, you can give a 1 years and you can go for the masters and you can directly join BTech, masters. Then what happened? You can spend 2 years and your starting salary on an average 8.5 or 9 lakhs or 10 lakhs. So I can calculate it and I can take it 8 lakhs. That means you can spend 2 years, 8 lakhs. And your friend, you are getting 4 and 5 years experience, then it becomes 7 lakhs and 8 lakhs. Now, gradually what happened, you can jump After 2 years, starting from the job from 2 years, that means 3 to 4 years, your salary becomes 16 lakhs and 18 lakhs after MTech. That is the guarantee if you are passing from the master from the IIT. Okay, and your profile is R&D sector, not a software developer, all the things. Okay, you can sit with your project manager and decide the project you can take or not, and which people are going to pick up. Okay, you can lead the team. You can in charge of the QA analysis, quality analysis team. You can give a suggestion to your project manager, because you are in the master's degree. You can give all the things. Even if these things are not happened, those who are not passed out from the BTech from the IITs. If you're passed out from the BTech from the IITs, just we can simply develop the program. You can become a developer with the package of 18 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay, these things are the realities of all the things. Now, if you're talking about your package, suppose you're passing from the IITs, then you're working with the Amazon or the Flipkart, and your starting package is 18 and 15 lakhs. That means you're in hand, you're getting 7 to 8 lakhs, not a 15 lakhs. Okay, because that package is the belong to the 3 years package or the 2 years package or 2.5 years package. Within that package, too many things will be added. 1 year bonus package, 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Some other facilities are given within 15 lakhs and 18 lakhs, the things. But in hand, we are getting 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs and 9 lakhs. Even if working with the Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, these are the reality of the packet. So whatever, so doesn't matter if you are passing from where and where, because nowadays the things is totally different. आजकल हर चीज चेंज हो चुकी है. Okay, आप अपने प्रोफाइल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करो. सबसे बेस्ट थिंग है कि आप मैक्सिमम टू मैक्सिमम प्रोजेक्ट करो. आपके प्रोजेक्ट जितने भी तगड़े होंगे, आपकी जॉब क्वालिटी, आपकी सैलरी उतनी भी अच्छी होगी. ओके, आप जितने मैक्सिमम, यू कैन ट्राई विद द मैक्सिमम इंटर्नशिप, एंड इंटर्नशिप बिलोंग टू द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी like machine learning, deep learning, image processing, artificial intelligence, IoT. This type of internship you can do. Cyber security. So you can get a better offer. You can get a better chance to grow yourself. Okay. So these things will happen. So how many people attempt preparing from the gate? Yeah. Those who are thinking about the masters, how many people are preparing from the gate? No one? Yeah, Sagar. Yeah. So you guys are taking online coaching classes or self-preparation? Kapil, Sagar, coaching, Pratik. Which coaching? Online coaching classes, which one? Okay, now one of the common paper. Okay. So Kapil ko are taking RB, RBR. Okay. So now, yeah. So now that is a standard RBR. I think Ravindra Babu Ravela, I think. So he's passed out from the IIT Bangalore. So yeah. So if you are taking, then go ahead. If you want to take any help from my side, that window is always open for you. And all those who are thinking about the masters, I can help you. The questions, how can attempt all the things. Because what happened, the GATE is not like a simple exam. We can prepare well, but during the examination, we cannot perform well. So these things have happened. So clear about concept, maximum practice, different type. You can attempt the questions maximum. So more focus on the data structure and algorithm, TOC, than networking, than mathematics. This is mathematics. They are the scoring paper. Okay, you can score more and more without any putting any wrong answer. Okay, but nowadays there is a multiple MCQs happened. When I attempt the GATE, that time the syllabus is totally different. Nowadays, Syllabus is totally different. Suppose if you are thinking about the IITs through GATE, then your GATE score should be above 650. Okay, that is the standard score. You can score out of 1000, your score should be 650. Then definitely can get a admission in IITs. Okay, so if you are thinking about IIT Delhi and Bombay, then GATE score should be 750 plus. Okay, so think about all the things. Those who are preparing for the GATE, and just go for basics concept. Your basic concept should be clear. The play with your basic concept. Okay, so don't go for the hard questions. First, try to solve your basic questions, then go for it. Okay, and definitely you can get admissions in IITs. Not a big deal. Okay, एक ऐसा टाइम था जहाँ पे IITs में एडमिशन लेना बहुत मुश्किल था, लेकिन nowadays IITs में एडमिशन लेना बहुत इजी है. ओके, अगर आप थोड़ा सा भी पंचुअल हो, if you are little bit serious about your career, then definitely you can get admissions in IITs. Okay, आप वहाँ जाओ, कल्चर देखो क्या है, सारी चीज क्लियर हो जाएगी. So these are the things. So today is the first day, so I am talking about all the things. Second day onwards, I'm not going to talking about all the things. Okay, because some students are not interested. I know. Okay, this thing will happen. Okay, today we cannot start. Now see, one major difference I'm talking about comes to the syllabus part. The difference between AI and machine learning. Now see, suppose you are now what happened if you're sitting in the interview, then think about the interviewer perspective. Okay, whatever you can speak and that is the correct doesn't mean that you are going to be selected. Okay, so first analyze the interviewer, 1 and 2, 3 questions, then according to answer that. So that time I'm telling you na, कि I know ML is a subset of the machine learning, but that is not actual answer. Suppose I'm not interested to that answer, so that's why I'm asking you. Tell me the another difference. So one major difference in machine learning, we are talking about the accuracy. Okay, that means 80% accuracy. My system gives the 80% accuracy. My system gives 90% accuracy. My system gives 95, 99. But in terms of artificial intelligence, we are not talking about the accuracy. We just set the goal and it is achieved or not. Okay, that is our concept. Just we can increase the chance of success. We cannot talking about the accuracy, but in ML we are talking about the accuracy. That is a huge big difference between the artificial intelligence and the machine learning. Okay, so in artificial intelligence, one more thing is that in artificial intelligence we set the goal and then we try to find out in a different way. But in machine learning, you cannot set the goal. On the basis of training the machine with the help of data set, then we can maximize the performance of the machine. Okay, then we're talking about here the performance, efficiency, all the things. Okay, these are the major difference. Too many differences are there in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So anyone can tell me, so we can talking about the artificial intelligence, the life is very easy. If you want to solve the real-time problem with the artificial intelligence, the human life becomes very easy. Then what is the disadvantage of the artificial intelligence? Huh? Anyone? Kapil, Sagar, Ganesh, Shani, yeah. Anyone? Yeah, Abhishek, Aditya, Ankita, Aryan, Avisha, Chand, unemployment. No. We can, Khushbu, we are talking about in terms of the logical terms, not unemployment, all the things we are not talking. No, that is the other way. So we can go for that purpose not. No, we can talking about disadvantage in terms. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, that is the answer. High cost implementation cost will be high. That is the right answer. So if you apply the artificial intelligence, then automatically cost will be high, complexity will be increases, system will be slow due to the heavy load. These things are be the make bigger and major disadvantage of artificial intelligence. Even if what happens, suppose some things will be try to do, but if you want, suppose I am thinking I can do with the help of artificial intelligence this time, but we can go for the real time implementation, it is not possible. Okay, so these things will be happen, it is not possible. So sometimes that is the big disadvantage of artificial intelligence also. Okay, now one thing, now see why artificial intelligence, best example. Suppose we take an example of Siri, or you can go for the Google, Alaska, or the things. So I'm thinking about the Siri. So if you will start Siri, then we have to give us some initial point. Siri, play this. Siri, this one. Siri, this one. Siri, this one. Okay, like this one. Suppose I want to tell, I know this is a artificial intelligence machine. I can tell play the music. The Siri cannot play the music. Okay, so that is the big failure of the artificial intelligence. Big failure of the machine learning, all the things. Okay, so we have to develop all the things. That means suppose I can tell you suppose my friend name is suppose Abhishek. I can tell the Abhishek play music, then Abhishek understand what is the environment I am thinking about, or what is the environment around me. According to he can play the music. So on the basis of analysis of my natural behavior, Abhishek play the music. So these things can be tried to develop inside the machine. Okay, so that is called the artificial intelligence really. Okay, these are not possible, but many companies like Google and all the things are working with the artificial intelligence. Even if you're talking about the Netflix, they try to impose artificial intelligence. Okay, with the help of deep learning, neural networks. Okay, we try to develop IoT devices with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, so anyone can tell me what is the meaning of a smart city? Because we are going to study the artificial intelligence that comes inside all the things. Yeah, Ria, Kushbu, Sagar, Yuraj. Because you guys are giving the answers, so in masses your name is Flash. So you can tell me what do you think about the smart city? Actually, what is a smart city? That is my question. Okay, because always government is talking about and making the smart cities here and there. India has become the digitally smart, all the things. And if you apply the, now see, I'm talking about BMW, Audi, okay, Ferrari. These car, okay, smart cities use the technology to provide a service and solve city problem. Okay, so that is the definition from your word, Yuvraj. I'm talking about your words, not book language and other things. Yeah, everyone know like Subham, Aryan, Uttam, Ami, all the student and know what is the smart city that use the technology and provide the services to solve city problem. Then how can use the technology and how can solve the city problem? That is the question. Na? Because we are the computer science engineer. We have to solve real-time problem with the help of software. That means automatically we can use the technology. Then how can identify the problem and how can solve, and what is the process behind to solve all the things? That is the use IoT. Okay, Ankita, IoT, Internet of Things. Then how can Internet of Things will work with the help of artificial intelligence? Huh? No, that's I'm telling you. So we can go for the paper with the analysis manner. So today is one lab, na? In the lab. So we cannot start the lab from onwards. We can go further. Basically, I can start a lab from the next week. Okay, don't worry. So you need a notes, all the things. So if possible, I can give a notes on handwritten, or do you want to PPT? Because PPT is very difficult to prepare all the things. I haven't habit to teach with the PPT. I only habit with dealing with the problem, dealing with the topic, all the things I can teach you. So what do you prefer? Is PPT or handwritten notes? That means I can deal with some ideas all the through handwritten notes. Okay, then handwritten notes. Okay, that means I can write the notes. PPT. Okay, anyone, sir. Okay, okay. So whatever I feel comfortable, then I can share with your CR. Okay. So I can now see. I can give. I'm not going to be write on a brief way. Just I can mention the topic and highlight 4 to 5 points. Then when you can get you can get a rough idea. Then you can develop more and more concept on basis of that notes. Okay, it's clear. So today's lab from 11:10, 11:12 to 12:10. Yeah, today's lab, na? It's flash to me. Yeah. Which timing? Yeah, 11:10 to 1:10. Okay, so we can meet from 11:10 in the lab session. So we can here we bind up with all this session, and we can again talk about the artificial intelligence things in the lab session. So thank you for coming, and please talk to me. Unmute yourself and give me the answer. Okay. So not online classes should not be the one-way communications. Okay. So I can discuss with the problem all the things. So I can feel comfortable with you. Otherwise, what happened? I am dealing with all the things. You're not asking any questions. Then I thinking that whatever I have a knowledge, that is enough. So some things sometimes what happened, you can tell ask me some questions. Sometimes it's also possible I'm not able to answer. So at least I can search on that one. No? I can do research on that one. So also it can help me to increase my knowledge. So these things will be happened. So I believe that I don't know all the things. It's not possible to knowing all the things related to the artificial intelligence. Whatever I'm dealing with that paper, okay, that is a huge ocean. So at least ask me the questions during the studies, whatever I'm dealing with the topic. So I can also you can also help me to increase my knowledge. So your class is over. We can meet again on the next session from 11:10. Okay. So thank you, and thank you for coming. Okay. Bye. Yeah, CR, you can send me the attendance list. Okay. Those who are absent. Your name and enrollment number. Okay, no. Vivek, do one thing. You know, all the names, so you can send me the fill the form attendance. Okay, thank you, Vivek. Okay, bye.